We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like to be that to you. So give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.